Solving TikTok Shop not showing products is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. First, you need to go to your TikTok app. Sometimes the issue may be temporary. You need to refresh the TikTok app or web page where you are accessing the shop. Then, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Poor connectivity can sometimes prevent shop products from loading properly. Now, go to your settings. Tap on the General option. Next, tap on iPhone storage. Now scroll down and here you will find the TikTok application. So you need to tap on it. Then tap on Offload app. So this can assist in resolving the problems associated with your TikTok shop. After that, go to your App Store. Also, make sure you have the latest version of the TikTok app installed on your device. Updates often include bug fixes and improvements that could resolve issues with the shop. If none of the steps work, you may need to reach out to TikTok's customer support for further assistance. So for this, open up your TikTok app. Next, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. After that, tap on the three bars at the top right corner. Next, tap on Settings and Privacy. Then scroll down and here you will find the option Support, so simply tap on it. Next, tap on Help Center. You need to describe your issue to them, and they will provide detailed guidance to assist you.